Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Smart English. Today I'm gonna talk to you about English, how to speak flawlessly in few days. I know everyone is eager to speak English flawlessly. Therefore, you are listening to me. Do you remember many of us started our journey to speak English for 10 years, 15 years. We started learning English when we were all fifth standard. We learned rules of grammar. We learned certain patterns. We learned passive voice, active voice, tenses. We learned parts of speeches and everything. Now we are able to recite everything. But we can speak English fluently, naturally. Even many of us went to many different kinds of spoken English center. We spent huge amount. We learned tenses and we learned everything. But finally we learned only to introduce yourself. Still we are unable to speak naturally just like our mother tongue. Why we can't learn English? Let me tell you the answer. We never learned English. We learned only grammar rules. Do you remember how did you learn riding a bicycle? No one learns bicycle by studying, but everyone learns bicycle by doing. How do we learn bicycle? We learn how to balance the wheels. We learn how to paddle. We learn how to move the handle. Therefore, you can make turns. We learn how to stop by braking. We learn all of this by doing, not by watching some videos of cycle demonstration. Learning to speak English is very similar. You will learn certain language pattern by having conversation with the people who are more fluent than you. You will get a sense of which words to use where. You will remember where to stress when pronouncing certain words. Your brain will get used to sounds that are foreign to your natural language. All this will only happen by doing, by practicing, just like when we're learning to ride a bicycle. And practicing skill is hard. I'm damn sure it's not possible to see the improvement overnight. It will take a long time. You will make the same mistake again and again. But every day you will be a little bit better than you started. You will gain more confidence and feel better about the process of learning. I'm damn sure one day you will find yourself that you can speak English fluently. So today onwards we have to change our mindset. We should get rid of the grammar rules. We should stop learning the old methodology. And if you are a beginner, you should listen to English short stories. You should listen to English simple songs. And there are a lots of application. I already have demonstrated some application for you. You can use Google Assistant to keep conversing with it. Also, you can use some certain application to talk with anyone who's aspirant to speak English. If you are really serious, From today onwards, stop studying grammatical rules. Stop studying a particular verbs and particular words. Try to listen to English as much as you possible. I'm damn sure one day this process will create smile on your face. You'll be happy like anything and you can talk English dramatically. Not grammatically, I'm going to tell you. You can speak English professionally. I wish you all the success. May God bless you. Until next video. Goodbye and thanks for listening to me. Have a bright future.